Alright, so here we are. That's the thermostat housing, polished up the heat shields, and look at this, the oil filter housing. That is gonna look super dope. Look at that. I guarantee nobody in the world has a polished oil filter housing. Now if you remember, this oil filter housing used to look like that. Now look at it. Bling bling. Still got to do one more final polish on it, but just to give you some sort of idea of what it's going to look like. It's already starting to get a nice reflection in it. The thermostat housing is blinging. The heat shields are blinging. So far so good.